Hello friends, now I am present and with another video. In the previous video I had told you about the mining with Litecoin. I will tell you again, same website but is another coin. So let's start the video. But before the start the video, I will request you please subscribe my channel and like my video. And if you have any questions, so you can comment section below. So I will reply you. And please subscribe my channel. I will say you again, and make sure the press the bell icon button. So if you have in the future that I will upload the any video, so you don't miss the any video. So let's get started the video. So we will go the Chrome, the same website like mining stored world. So I will tell you before the videos that how to make account. So now I will go just on the start and just login, and that's login start. And now you can see that I will press the dogecoin. So you can see that here is dogecoin start button. Click the start button because this is the pause. So if you switch the any coin, so you see that coin will pause. Okay, so you will have to start again. So you can see there that active my dogecoin. So here is some restrictions like you want to withdraw, so you must have a this amount. So when I will save the amounts of dogecoin, so I will make another video that how can withdraw the dogecoin and litecoin also. So in other words, so I will go the menu, so and partner. So you can also share your link with your friends and families, so you can earn money more. Because here is the mining sword, is a rifle link. So now you can see that dogecoin here. So here is mining. So now cloud mining without replenishments, get bonuses, invite friends, and enjoy the benefits of mining absolutely free. So register and earn from this second. So now this video is enough. So I hope you like my videos, and if you have any queries, so uh, you can comment in the section below. So I will must reply you. So till then, bye bye, take care.